Hello you guys, we are gonna get started with a quick 10-minute energizing cardio workout. So let's just roll those shoulders back, waking up the body, big circle, and now we're just gonna speed up those shoulders, back and back. Just getting nice and warm before we get moving a little bigger. Stay here for 4, for 3, good, you got 2. On 1, let's roll those hips right. Getting into those hips for 4, 3, good, take it to the left side. Stay here for 4, 3, we're gonna take the rib cage side to side, take it right and left. Activating those obliques, good, reach those arms out to the side, big stretch up and over, big reach, lift and switch, other way. Good, from here you're gonna take those feet, right foot out, in, press and hop. Adding that little hop at the back. If it feels good, it's out, in. Good, now we're gonna add some arms, pushing through the palms. Push, reach, and reach. Good, we got 4. We have 3, 2, on 1. Hold right here, we're gonna kick the booty 4 times. Take a squat and lift, kick it out, big drop. Nice, keep it going, elevating that heart rate. Let's reach the arms as we go. Two more. Last one. We're gonna head into the left side. Left foot leads front and back. Press, little hop. Good. Option to add those arms up, back. Keep breathing. So good, we got 4, 3, 2. We kick that booty, take it up. Take it low. Good, kick it out. Woo. Kick, drop it low. Nice work, option to add those arms, reach. You got it, y'all. 2 more. Last one. Good, we're gonna take a little step touch. Just side to side. Reach and reach. Woo. 8, 6, in 4. We're gonna add on 2 step touches. Right, left, roll your booty twice. Right, left, roll the booty twice. Good. Keep it going for 4. For 3. Woo. We're here for 2. Last one. Back into our little booty kicks. Here we go. Kick it up. Getting that heart rate up. Feeling that energy. Woo! Good. Let's reach those arms. So good, y'all. Last 2. Woo! Last one. Step touch, booty roll. Roll that booty work. Woo! Reach, reach. Keep it going all the way. 4 more. Last 2. Woo! And last one. Step touch. Nice work, you guys. All right, we're halfway through it already. So we're gonna change up that movement just a little bit. starting with the push, right, rock, left, rock. So you swim those arms, and then you tuck that foot behind, push, and push, push. So we're gonna string together a couple set of movements to finish strong. Okay, so you're gonna take the slide side to side. It's right, then left, and then we're gonna clap it 4 times. As you kick the booty, we slide again. Push, push, and clap it. 4, 3. You got 2 more like that. Let's go. Push, and push. We clap it up. 4. Last time right here. That's it. Push, clap it up. All right, from here, we grapevine to the right. We go right, then 2 rolls. Take it left. 2 rolls. Hey, hey, hey. Good. Keep it going. Adding those arms on the grapevine if it feels good. Last set here. Last one. Slide to the right. Let's push. Right and rock. Left, 4 claps. Woo! Do it again. Push and push. We clap it up. 4, 3, 2. Again, let's go. Push. Swim it out. 4, 3. Last time right here. Clap it up. 4, 3. We grapevine. Take it to the right. 2 rolls. To the left. And roll. One more time each way. You ready? New move coming up. Woo! Pony to the right. We pony right. Left, then circle it up. Right, left, stir it, stir it. That's it, y'all. Last time right here. Back to the drag from the top. Slide, slide. Clap it. 4. Do it again. Push, push. We clap for 4, 3. Grapevine. Take it to your right. 2 rolls. Out, cross, out. 8, 8. Last time. Get ready. We pony to the right. And stir it up. We pony right. Left and stir. Woo! Last time. New move. Last time. Right here, you're gonna reach up, down, up, heel, heel. Up, down, up, heel. Good. Toss it. Booty. Last time. We go back from the top, slide to the right. Let's go. Push. Woo! Clap it up. Do that one more time. We slide right, left, clap. 4, 3. Grapevine. Let's go. Right. Roll it up. Go left. Let's go. Good. Last time here. Now we pony to the right. So pony, pony, stir it up. Pony, pony, stir it up. Woo! Last time. We're gonna toss it to the sky. Heel pull. Right, left. Pull, pull. Last time. Good. Hold right here. Little step, touch. Right, left. Let those arms float. We made it to that finish line, you guys. Just breathe for 8, 6, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your feet together. Big inhale up. Exhale, let it go. One more time. Big inhale, reach up. And let it go. Give yourself a big round of applause, you guys. I hope today brightened your day and you had fun. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you back next time.